In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate in Figma. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up on some skills, getting comfortable with object manipulation is essential in Figma. So let's jump right in and make this simple yet crucial task easy for you. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Figma website. This platform is an incredibly powerful, collaborative interface design tool favored by designers worldwide. If you haven't logged in yet, click on the Log In button, which you should see on the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials and sign in. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the homepage of Figma. Here you can quickly access your recent designs and any projects you've been collaborating on. Now the first thing we need to do is to open the project you're working on. Navigate to the Home section on Figma. You can think of this area as your dashboard for all things related to your design projects. Browse through your list of projects or files and open the one where you'd like to apply some rotations. Once inside your desired project, it's time to select an object to rotate. This could be anything, an image, a shape, or even a text box. Click on the object to highlight it. With your object selected, move your cursor towards the corner of the bounding box around the object. As you hover near the corner, you should notice that your cursor changes to display a rotate icon. This icon is a visual cue indicating that you can now rotate the object by clicking and dragging. Click and hold your mouse button on the rotate icon. As you drag, you'll see the object rotating around its center point. Keep an eye on any guidelines or angles that might appear, as these can help you align your object precisely as needed. If you're focusing on a particular rotation angle, Figma makes this easy by showing the degree of rotation as you move the mouse. To lock your rotation to specific increments such as 15 degrees, you can also hold down the Shift key while rotating. This is a handy trick to ensure precision and uniformity across your objects. And just like that, you've rotated an object within Figma. It's a straightforward process, but it's a fundamental skill that can really help elevate your design work. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to familiarize yourself with these steps. Feel free to experiment with different objects and angles to become even more proficient. I hope you found this helpful, and happy designing in Figma.